Hi and welcome to this really quick demo of Omnisearch. We're going to go through all the basic functionality of ingesting, transcribing, and then searching audio and video files and other files such as books and PDF files. And then at the end we're going to see how we can integrate this functionality into a third-party site using the API. Okay, so let's get to it. As you can see, we've prepared a library that is made out of the School of Life videos mostly. So let's try another one. We can just pull this stuff straight from YouTube. This one is going to be okay. Let's add this one to the collection. And now we're going to have to wait a little while for this whole thing to get processed. But you see that very soon we actually get the thumbnail all the way from YouTube. So now we wait. All right, so this operation was successful, and now what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the search page and play around with a couple of searches. Since we just added the James Joyce video, let's try a search here. So we're going to search for Ulysses, which as we know is one of his greatest works, and we find, as expected, the James Joyce video. But not only this, we also find the exact occurrences of this term.
Ulysses, on his journey back from the siege of Troy. In the ancient world, Ulysses was held up as an inspired. At one point in Ulysses, Leopold muses on the sun.
All right, so not only, to reiterate, were we able to find the videos, but the exact moments within the videos where something occurs. So among other things, we get transcripts, and as you can see here, the search results are highlighted, so as to make it as easy as possible to navigate through this. Let's try another search. Let's try this. And two of these are pretty obvious. Let's take a look at this one, Voltaire.
Montaigne, Voltaire, and Julius Caesar. He concluded that...
Cool. But then take a look at this other thing as well. Namely, we're not just restricted to videos. I've added a Voltaire book, Candide and Other Stories, and as expected, it turned out here in the search results, and within it, we're able to find all the mentions of Voltaire. So this shows that you can basically use Omnisearch for multiple kinds of files, not just audio and video. This is the improvement in this particular version of the software. So one of the really great things about Omnisearch is that customers can use this API to add the functionality that we already demoed to their own sites and their own products. And as we can see here, we have the documentation in both Swagger and Redoc. And now we're going to show a very simple project that was built using this API. Cool. So this is the really quick project that we put together. This is a podcast aggregator, and it uses just the Omnisearch API. So this is, in a sense, a simulation of what a customer would do using the API and how they would go about developing it. So here's some things that we can see. Hoffman. So this is the legendary Reid Hoffman, and you see much of the same stuff that you saw in the dashboard in the previous part of the demo. So all this kind of data you can get from the API. And another cool thing here is that you can also find related audio and video files like this and many other cool things. So I think that about sums it up for now, and we hope you liked it. Thank you very much for your time, and don't hesitate to check out all our other materials. Thank you very much. Bye.